Hey freshmen, today we're going to go over the registration process. This is how you're going to pick your classes for next year, and you'll be able to build a 4-year plan by the time we're done with this. So just so you know that the academic planner in Aries is open from today, February 24th, until March 3rd, and it closes at 4 p.m. So make sure that you get this done by next Wednesday at 4 p.m. You can use this course guide to help assist you in picking options for classes for next year. This is going to come in handy, as well as this Aries Academic Planner Guide. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to do it. However, if you are more of a visual learner and like to follow step-by-step, this provides you with a step-by-step guide of what you need to do as well. And then you'll meet with your counselor to confirm your courses through your English 1 classes next week. So if you change your mind or you have questions, this is a great opportunity to do that. So let's get started. So first, we're going to have to log into Aries. So how you would do that, you can Google Student Portal if you don't know how to get to Aries, and then you would select Aries. To sign in, you are going to use your @mytusd email. If you know your password, great. If you don't know your password, try TUSD and your long ID. If that doesn't work, you can always select Forgot Password and enter your @mytusd email, and you'll get a link to help reset your password. All right, so once you're logged into Aries, it's going to look like this. And where you're going to go, so just so you guys know, you can always check your grades on here. So when we talk about credits and you aren't sure how many credits you have earned, you can go to grades and click on transcripts. And this will give you data on what classes you completed, what grades you've earned, what's your academic GPA, what's your total GPA. This includes your PE class. Weighted, this includes any honors or AP courses that you're taking, and then any credits that you have attempted and how many you have completed. A reminder that good standing freshmen right now should have at least 30 credits, and you should have 60 credits by the end of the school year. So for today, we're going to work on building your academic planner. So what you're going to do, you're going to go to classes, then you're going to click the 4th option from the bottom, which is academic plan. So Tommy Tiller is a test student, obviously, and just like you guys, he does not have academic records, right? So what you're going to do today, you're going to build a 4-year plan of classes you plan to take. What's going to matter for today are the courses that you select for 10th grade. Every year, you're going to come back and edit this. So don't really worry about classes for 11th and 12th grade. Focus on what 10th grade comes up as. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. So to build your academic planner, you will, well, first let's see how this looks like. So for 9th grade, as you can see, the classes that you're currently enrolled in show up in orange. Any planned courses that we're going to put on here are going to show up in blue. This is how many credits are needed for each subject area. By the time we complete this, all of these should equal to 0. Here you can look at your UC college requirements to make sure that you're on track. And then here you can look at your CSU requirements. For today, we're going to be working on the high school view. So in order to create your academic plan, you're going to go here where it says add course by set, and you're going to select multi-year. And it's going to show up the classes that you're currently enrolled in. So Tommy Tiller is enrolled in English 1, in Algebra 1, in Biology, Spanish Native Speakers 1, Swimming, and Model UN. So what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and select packets from these subject areas. So for English 1, you're going to go ahead and select this packet. If you are in Algebra 1, you're going to go ahead and select, it depends where you want to end up. So if you feel like you're stronger in math and you really like math, you might go this route where it's Algebra 1 Geometry, Algebra 2 Trig, and then Pre-Calculus. Or if you're not sure yet, you can always select the pathway A, which is Algebra 1, Geometry, Algebra 2, and then Finite Math. And if you're currently in Algebra Enrichment, it would be Algebra 1, and then Geometry, and then Algebra 2. So for our purposes, we'll go with the first one today. For Biology, you're going to go ahead and select Biology CP. This is usually the one that most students follow, which is Biology, Chemistry, Physics. And then senior year, it's up to you what science class you want to take. World History, you're going to go ahead and select. So it says Essentials here. If you don't know what that is, it does not apply to you. If you are planning to take AP World History, then you would select this. AP is Advanced Placement. And these courses, you would take a test at the end of the class. And if you get a score of a 3, 4, or 5, some colleges will give you college credit for that course. They're a lot more faster paced. There's a lot of reading and writing. However, if you feel up for the challenge, you can go ahead and select that. And there's also World History CP. Then we have our world language. So if you are currently in, let's say, Tommy Tiller's in Spanish Native Speakers 1, you'll go ahead and select this pathway. And if you're in a program, it's going to show up here. So if you're in Model UN and you want to continue it, you would select this option. And you would put Apply Selection. Are you sure you want to apply? You click OK. So once you select your academic planner, you're going to see your courses show up here in blue. And let's say there is a course here that you don't want to take or you want to edit. So for example, if you feel like you want to challenge yourself and you want to take English 2 honors and you want to edit this, you will go ahead and select the trash can button, delete that course, and let's say you want to do English 2 honors. Well, you would use the course guide to look for the course number. So English 2 honors, the course number is 1205. So what you would do to add that course, you're going to go to course and you would put that number, 1205. And it's going to come up here. And you're going to click select, add to plan, grade level, 10th grade, term, always select year long. And you're going to place the course. And this is how you would edit your academic planner. For now, please focus on 10th grade. If there are courses in 11th and 12th grade that you don't want to take and continue, again, we will edit this every year. So for today, please focus on 10th grade. So for math, we have geometry, chemistry, world history, Model UN, and Spanish speakers. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So because the student is in a program, they still have to take PE because you have to take PE for 2 years. So if you're one of these students, so if you're in a program like Model UN or AVID or T-TECH, you have the option of taking world history over the summer for advancement. That is the only way that you could take world history over the summer for advancement. We will talk or ask your counselor more about that. So for this student, let's say that they did want to do world history for advancement for the summer. We have a code right here. So that would be code 8005. So we can go ahead and delete that and add that code. 8005. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and select 8005. Search. It's going to say check history, but that's just to let your counselor know that you are interested in doing summer school for advancement. For grade level, you're going to go ahead and select 10th grade, and you can go ahead and select year long and place the course. And then you would add your PE class. So if you're in a sport or if you want to do PE, you would search for the course by the number. So the student wants to continue swimming, we're going to look for 1615. So go here, look for 1615. We're going to click add to plan, grade level, 10th grade, term. If it gives you only semester as an option, always go with semester 1. We will fix that and go ahead and place you in the class year long. and then you're going to select place course. So for this student, they want to take 6 classes during the school year. So what they're going to do, they will do English 2, Geometry, Chemistry, Model UN, Spanish Speakers 2, and Swimming. And then we will know that the student wants to do U.S. History for advancement. More details on that application coming soon. And if everything looks good and you are done with your edits for 10th grade, you can go ahead and go where it says status, click on the drop-down menu, and click submit my plan for counselor review. And you have completed your 4-year plan. If you have questions, please reach out to your counselor.